Hi, I'm Kelly Walker with Absolute Security Fire and Design. We're a low voltage contractor out of Rogers, Arkansas. We install fire alarm systems all over the U.S. in motels and hotels. In doing so over the past several years, we have discovered a very serious problem that we'd like to show you. The problem: sprinkler testing. Most hotels require it every 90 days. So what happens during this testing phase? Usually chaos. Sprinkler company comes in, starts their testing, forgets to disable the horn strobes. The guy up front doesn't know how to work the panel. They accidentally set something off. They roll trucks, whatever. Okay, what do they try to do to stop that from happening? Well, I've seen them jam screwdrivers in the water flow switches. I've seen them unwire the water flow switches. I've seen all sorts of issues. So what have we come up with to stop this? It's called the Sprinkler Disablement Switch. We have partnered up with Hojiki Fire Alarm Company and helped engineer this design. Let me show you how it works. The Sprinkler Disablement Switch. Here's what it looks like. Now let me tell you how it functions. We work with multiple state and local fire marshals to discuss the requirements before they let it work in their system. First of all, the switch needs to be located in the riser room, not behind the front desk, not inside the fire alarm panel. Second, it needs to be controlled so that nobody can accidentally turn it on, thus the key. Third, it needs to be easy to use with a set of instructions. There it is. And fourth, it has to work. So, let me show you how it functions. The first part of the test. The sprinkler person will go to the front desk and inform the front desk to put the sprinkler zones on test for a pre-given time and check out the key. Second, he'll come back here to the sprinkler riser room, insert the key, turn the key, and get the light on. When the green light comes on, he's clear to test. Now let me explain what happens during this test. So the inspector is turning the inspector test and flowing the water. After 30 seconds or so, the water flow alarm is going to go into action. And as you can tell, inside the hotel is nice and quiet. Also, as part of the requirement with the water flow, we get the fire alarm going off at the controller. Indicates the fire alarm and calls central station. Yet still quiet inside the building. During this sprinkler testing, should a real alarm go off and you need to pull the pull station, it will activate as normal. And as you can tell, everything's going off in the hotel, even while the sprinkler disablement switch is engaged. No interaction from anybody is required. The normal procedure for most hotels is to disable the horn strobes in the building. So while they're doing the sprinkler testing, of course it's quiet. But what happens in a real emergency? Panel goes off, nobody gets woke up in the hotel. Now that the sprinkler testing has been completed and the inspector is satisfied with his test, he's ready to take the system off of disablement. Simply puts in the key, turns key, light goes out. The system goes back to a green light. All in the meantime, no problems have happened with the guest, hasn't set anything off inside. The building has still been fully protected in case of a real emergency, and everybody's happy. He turns in the key, checks central station records, and all is well.